Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we'll show individuals, users, how to enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA for short. In part, to keep Piko secure, simple, and open, we now support MFA for Piko. Multi-factor authentication for 5.0 and above is a second layer of authentication. MFA randomly generates PINs when enabled. It will introduce MFA across all Piko platforms, including mobile, web, and the thick client. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to navigate to cloud.pikovms.com. You'll then log in to your associated login. For this instance, I will use my login. You enter your password, it'll take you to this page. From there, you're going to navigate up to your user preferences. So if you come up here to your username, you'll go down to security and you'll turn on two-factor authentication. You'll then type in your password again to verify your identity. It's then going to ask you to scan this with your two-factor authenticator, whether it be Google Authenticator, Duo, Microsoft, your choice. So you'll navigate over to your authenticator. And for this instance, I am going to use Duo. So you'll click Add on your authenticator. You'll scan it via the QR code. You'll name the account. From there, you'll click Next, and then you'll type in the authentication code via your authenticator. And as you can see, this is very important. Two-factor authentication is now enabled for your Piko Cloud account. Save these single-use backup codes in a safe place. So if for some reason you lose your phone, you lose your authenticator, you will need to have these codes. Click OK, and as you can see, I now have access to my two-factor authentication. So once you enable MFA, you will then go back into Piko. It does by default log you out. So you will log back in to your system, type in your email address, type in your password, and then it's going to ask you for your verification code. So this is where you get that code from whatever provider it is, whether it's Duo, Google Authenticator, whatever authenticator you use. And now, again, you have the ability to view cameras just like you would prior. So I can open these up and view any camera that I'd like. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel, or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.